Greetings folks, it's Sarah. Today I have featured the Breckwell SW500 wood stove. I'm going to give you a 360-degree view of this stove so you can see every angle before you make your purchase. There is a knockout on the rear of this stove that you can see right in there. Go ahead, yes, those knockouts. That hole there is going to be your outside air intake. Your spec plate is going to be located on the rear of the stove. Here's going to be your cone. This makes the unit draft well with a 6-inch flue for being such a small stove. Because in order to be UL listed, it must have a 6-inch flue on it. You can see this refractory firebox located on the bottom, sides, the air tubes across the top. It does have a nice thick gasketing on the door here. Here's your cute little damper, nice little ash lip, and a pedestal located at the bottom of the stove for some extra log storage. Here's the cone I was talking about that you get installed. So it just comes like this, and then you have the 3 bolts here that you're gonna put into place. It's a simple little black stove here. So this knockout here, the grill that I was showing initially up there, you would remove this knockout plate on the rear, and then that is where the blower would mount if you wanted to add a blower to this little stove. Here you can see. At the bottom here is where your outside air would attach. So this is going to be the Breckwell SW500. I hope that these videos are helpful for you guys. If you do like them, please don't forget to just give me that quick thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.